Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Evie and today we will be doing my everyday makeup routine. So let's go ahead and get started. With my primer, I'm going to use my Hard Candy Pore Defense Primer, and I'm just going to put that all over my nose where my pores are the biggest. I even decided to add some under my eyes just to help my creasing a bit because they're really bad. Next, I'm going in with my Better Skin by Maybelline, and I just like to put this all over my face after my primer because I think that it helps the makeup look a lot more smooth and beautiful. And I just pat that everywhere because I have pretty oily skin too. I do patting motions and not swiping. I do a little bit of the swiping on my cheeks because that's where I need it a bit less. I'm going in with my favorite foundation, and that is my L'Oreal True Match. I'm in an ivory shade N1. This has quickly become my favorite foundation. I just dot it all over my face, and then I take my kabuki brush from e.l.f. and, throw that foundation in that skin. But this is my favorite foundation because it's light, yet gives very good coverage. So I really like it. So guys, this is how I do the creasing of my nose if you're ever interested, or how I get it around my nose ring, which I really don't. I just kind of rub it in there and make sure that I rub as much as I can into that crease because my nose just gets a lot of whiteheads and stuff there, so it's got a lot of damaged skin. So I pull my nose to the side and really rub the makeup in there so it sits really nice. Next, I'm going in with my Maybelline Instant Rewind Concealer. This hasn't changed for me in a long time. This concealer is still by far the best concealer I've ever tried. I haven't tried Shape Tape concealer, but this is me for now. This is my favorite drugstore concealer, and it just blends so beautifully, and it's so easy to use, and it doesn't crease, and it's just really nice. So if you guys are looking for a concealer, definitely stop by and try this one. This is like the new conceal method for your under eyes so that it doesn't drag your face downward, I guess. I've been using it for a while and I think it looks pretty nice, honestly. I kind of like the way we conceal better this way now. As you can see, I still kind of pat it down a little bit toward my lower area, but not as much as I did when we created that big triangle under your eyes. Doesn't this concealer look so good? So I go back in with my matte powder, translucent powder, and I put it all over my face again to set it down. I'm going in with my Black Radiance bronzer. This stuff is so good, guys. I have a video of where I use it for the first time. It's so pretty and so easy to use. You need like barely any amount and it just goes on so beautifully. I mean, look at it. Doesn't it look good? That was so easy and so quick. So this has definitely quickly also become my favorite bronzer. I don't like to do too much, but I love giving just that nice shadowy look. Here, I take the bronzer and I do a tapping motion over the top of my forehead, and then I go in and I blend it out that way. I feel like this just gives a nice section to work with on top where you really want it to kind of show, and then you can blend it down into your cheekbone area. And do not forget to do that jawline. I kind of do this weird thing where I like jut my jaw out so that I can kind of see the jawline, so it makes it easier for the bronzer. Then I take the tip of the brush with a little bit of bronzer powder on there and I kind of just outline my jaw just like that. And if I feel like I ever have too much, I go back in with that powder brush and I kind of blend out any of the bronzer. So that's my little trick. I'm going in with my blush palette number 3 by Profusion. I'm taking the color that's like a mix of a peach and a pink, and I'm just putting that on. I don't like too much blush. I kind of like just a nice little flush look, and I take tapping motions right at the apples of my cheeks and then I blend it backwards just like that. I feel like this really puts the highlight on the apples of your cheeks where you naturally flush or blush, and then it blends backwards into that bronzer so everything looks just really flawless and pretty together. I'm going in with this highlighter. This is like a liquid highlighter that's pretty old. I don't even remember or know how I got it, but it is called Glowing Complexion Illuminating Cream, and it is by City Color Collection. I really like this stuff, guys, because it just gives such a beautiful highlight to the face, and it blends out so nice. You'll see what I'm talking about. So I put a few dots in that C area from the high ends of your cheek to under the eyebrow, because that's where I like to highlight, like I said, in a C shape, and I blend it out with my brush, and you will just see, look at that. How pretty is that? That is so gorgeous. I love this stuff so much that I really need to look up where you can buy this, because I really want you guys to be able to have it too. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my word, that is flawless. So I've been using this recently. Here we are taking the new gel eyeliner that I got. This is the Blackest Black 171 by L'Oreal. This is so, you know, I forgot how good gel liners were, and then I found this and I was ever so hopeful, because it made doing cat eye looks so easy again and so simple, and it didn't transfer up to my lid, because I have like my double eyelids hang down so much, and I feel like anytime I was ever putting on liquid eyeliner and you know, pencil eyeliner, it would just always transfer to the top of my lid because it would always touch. But with the gel, I know it'll be beautiful. So here I'm taking some shadows. Usually it's just a brown and then a darker brown, and I add it into the crease right above the gel liner because it just blends in anyways, and it's super easy. And that's pretty much it, guys. I just take the colors, a lighter brown usually first, and then a darker one, and blend it out with my finger just at that outer crease, and then I add some to the bottom to give it some more dimension. And then I'm going in with my favorite mascara, Telescopic, and I'm coating those lashes. If you've been to my channel before, you know that I just have a love for Telescopic mascara. I just can't get over how good it is. I wear it daily. Look at that difference. That's one coat, guys. One coat. That's a difference for me. Look how beautiful that mascara is. Don't you want it for everyday use? Now I'm going in with my e.l.f. setting spray. And you know what? This is a really good amount for the price you pay. You get a ton. So this is me setting my face and using my palette because that's all I had to dry. And I'm taking my NYX liquid lipstick in Abu Dhabi. I think that's how you pronounce it. This is a really pretty color. This stuff smells amazing, and it feels like you're literally putting butter on your lips. So it's really good, and I definitely recommend you try it out if you haven't. This was my first one I ever tried, and I'm addicted. This color is also one of my favorite colors. Ta-da! What do you guys think? This is my everyday, super easy look. I love it so much. That highlighter is popping, let me tell you. And it's just great. This is so easy to do, and I do it in literally 10-15 minutes tops. Obviously, I got little kiddos running around, so I can't do my makeup forever, but this looks good. Look how good everything blends together. Here, I'm fixing my nose ring because I forgot I put it down. But yeah, what do you guys think? Do you like it? I love how all this makeup looks on my skin. It blends beautifully together and looks really nice together. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Bye! Oh yeah, here's what it looks like in natural daylight. I wanted to show you guys too, just to show you how good these products are and what they look like in direct sun. What do you guys think? I love showing you direct sun and ring light, so let me know what your thoughts on it. Bye!